Hi, my name is Ruchir and I'm one of the co-founders of OneAssure. In this pandemic, a lot of people have reached out to me asking about differences between a normal plan versus a COVID-specific plan. I'm going to do this video which will very quickly explain the basic difference and a bunch of things which may be helpful for you during these times. The first question which came to me was which plan should we opt for, Corona Rakshak, Corona Kavach or a normal health insurance plan, and what are the differences? Coronavirus specific plans are typically for folks who cannot afford a normal health insurance plan, and the difference between Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak is one of them is an indemnity plan, which is Corona Kavach, which pays for actual hospitalization. Corona Rakshak is a fixed benefit plan in case of if someone gets COVID and is hospitalized for more than 3 days, then Corona Rakshak will pay the fixed benefit amount. So if it's a 2 lakh plan, you get 2 lakh directly into your bank account after 72 hours of hospitalization. Both of these plans have a lot of terms and conditions, so you might as well read through the fine prints before buying any one of those plans. However, a lot of companies have now stopped selling these plans because during the second wave, the regulator has not allowed them to change the pricing which they had applied last time, which is last year. So you will see a lot of resistance from a lot of insurance providers who are now willing to sell these plans to you. I would say if you have a healthy budget, then opt for a comprehensive health insurance plan which takes care of all your requirements, not only COVID. The second question which I get a lot during these times is that a lot of hospitals are shying away from giving cashless facilities, and I'll throw some light to this. Right, there are a lot of hospitals in general in this country are unorganized largely. Right, the organized hospitals, which are hospital chains like Fortis, Apollo, contribute less than 10% of the total hospitals today as such. Now, for a lot of these small hospitals, all the selective medical procedures have been put on hold due to handle the low pressure due to COVID. So a lot of these hospitals want to be paid in advance, and the smaller ones need to manage their cash flows, ensure that they pay their nurses, doctors on time, so they are motivated to come and take care of the patients. So you will see there is no right answer to this, but quite a few hospitals prefer getting paid upfront rather than going via the insurance route. That's why you may see this to be a issue. The third question is important features you need to look out for a policy that covers COVID. So most policies which cover COVID have a limitation on the number of PPEs which a hospital can charge per day. The other limitation in these policies is that some companies have a limit of the amount of claim they are going to pay per day default. Even though your plan may be 10 lakhs, if they've said that they're going to pay only 15,000 rupees per day, that's the amount you're going to get per day irrespective of the actual expenses. So be careful, check out these terms and conditions, get in touch with your insurer, ask them specifically what terms and conditions they're going to follow, because we've heard from quite a few people that folks, public sector undertaking insurers like New India Assurance, Oriental, National and United have a per day limit. So it's better to know beforehand rather than get a shock when someone's getting admitted at the time of hospitalization. The last question I want to answer is what to do in case of claims. So the first and foremost thing you need to do is please go ahead and inform the insurance company that the patient has been hospitalized within 48 hours. Second important thing you need to do is please keep all the bills and investigative reports carefully. Ensure that you don't lose any of those reports anytime. The third thing is file for a claim as soon as the discharge happens, because the processing time for claims has gone through the roof, because cities like Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore are in lockdown, and it is the insurance companies themselves are working at 20 to 25% capacity. So you can imagine if something used to take 2 days, 2 days is now taking anywhere between 7 to 10 working days. Lastly, in these times, I would say stay safe and stay alert. If there is anything we can do to help you, feel free to reach out to us.